Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. Okay, we're doing corrections. Yeah, here's our correction sheet. So corrections on the practice test we did on Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday. So here are some requests I had from some people about ones that people did wrong, and so we're going to fix them right now. So continue your corrections with this. And if you already did these as corrections, then do them again so you can get them right, because there's going to be a quiz during class, right? So we got to know this, and also we got to know these for the algebra EOC. All right, here we go. So first one we had trouble with. Request is this one, number 4. On the first page, looks like this. First page, number 4. All right. Negative x plus 7 equals negative 2. All right, let's try it. So, boop. Opposite of adding 7 is subtracting 7. So if I owe 2 and I owe 7, that means I owe $9. A lot of people mess this up and put 5 or something like that. No. Also here, this is left, but there is a negative 1 coefficient. Coefficient is the number in front of the x. So negative 1x. There we go. So opposite of multiplication now is division. So I divide by negative 1. Okay, so a negative divided by a negative, cover those up, and I get a positive. So x equals positive 9. There we go. And then write down what you did wrong right here. I subtracted, for example, I subtracted negative 2 and negative 7 incorrectly. So that's a good explanation. If you did that step wrong or whatever step wrong, write it in. Or I didn't get to that problem yet, but now I see what's going on. Another request was actually one that Mr. Irish did. So this is a good one to know. This one right here. So this one where we have variables on both sides. So I did this one, so you didn't even have to do this during the practice test, but it was on there anyway. So let's check it out. Whoop! So I got variables here, here, and here. Oh my goodness. So I can only combine them on the same side of the equation. Okay. So 2a minus 8, 2 minus 8, that's not 6, that's negative 6a. Cool. All right. 12 minus 8a. Okay, so now I combine my terms here, so I need all the variables on one side. So the variables got to go over here. So I'm looking at here, negative 8a. So opposite of negative 8a is positive 8a. There we go. So negative 6 plus 8, if I owe 6, I get 8, and that means I have 2 left over, and I have 12 right here. Because this is 0, negative 8a plus 8a is 0. Okay, cool. So I'm right here, 2a equals 12, bam. Run out of room, so I'm just going to put it up there. So opposite of multiplication is division. 6, we got it. There you go. Nice job. So that's a good one just to do and to practice, because you never know what's going to be on that quiz in Mr. Irish's class based upon our practice quiz. All right, so also question about one in this section. This is on this page right here with variables on both sides. So I got this one, variables on both sides. Another one with R on both sides. Number 4 right here. Ooh, okay. All right, so when I look at these, I see R on both sides. So look at which is the least coefficient, so 5 and 6. So the smallest coefficient is 5. So I do the opposite of that first. What's the opposite of 5R? Oh yeah, negative 5R. Negative 5R. What do I have left here? Negative 2. 6R minus 5R is 1R plus 5. 1R plus 5. The 5 remains there. Okay, cool. So now I gotta get the numbers on the other side. So opposite of adding 5 is, subtracting 5. Cool. Negative 2 minus 5, just like the one up here. Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. I owe $2. I owe $5. I owe up Add up your debts, and you got $7 you owe. And that's 1R. 1R is the same as just R. There we go. So, write down whatever you did wrong with this one. Like, I forgot the first step to subtract 5R from both sides. That is a great way to express your mistake so you don't make it the next time. There we go. Okay, one more. Here we go. This one was actually up here. Number 6. So a lot of mistakes on this one. Number 6. Negative 3x minus 4 plus 2x equals 2. All right, let's write it in. Negative 3x minus 4 plus 2x equals 2. All right. Whoop! So I write that line so I don't combine like terms or anything over the equal sign. So I combine these terms here. And then this is a different term because it doesn't have an x. So negative 3x and 2x is, oh yeah, negative 1x. Minus 4, that doesn't combine with anything, so it's just chilling, just leave it, and the 2 is still there. Okay, so this is not 5, it's negative 1. Negative 3 plus 2, if I owe $3, I get 2, I have negative 1, right? So no, I don't do that. I don't divide by negative 1. I can do something the furthest away, right? So what is the opposite of subtract 4? That would be, yeah. What the hell am I doing? Add 4. I don't know why I wrote 5. That's so stupid. All right. Negative 1x, this is 0, equals 6. Oh, is 6 the answer? Nope. I need to divide by negative 1. And then I get x equals a positive divided by a negative. Go back up here. Positive divided by a negative. Cover those up, and I have a negative 6. Got it. There it is. Cool. And then write your reason right there if you got that one wrong. Nice job. Get ready for that quiz coming up during class. Great job, everybody.